Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about higher place value. And so you'll see a very large number in front of me. We have discussed place value throughout the year, but today I want to go into exploring some larger numbers. And so you'll see that I have 9 digits in front of me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits in front of me. And these 9 digits came together to become a large number. And so as you look through your place value tabs at the top, you'll notice many that are familiar to you. We have our ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Then it goes to 10,000s, 100,000s. Then it hops to millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Now, as you compare the three periods, you could say, of place value, what patterns do you notice? Pause the video and think for a moment. Hopefully you came up with the fact that we have tens and hundreds, tens and hundreds, tens and hundreds repeated. So there is a pattern in how they named these place values. Okay, so I have created a random number, and you'll notice that as we work from right to left, you'll see that we have 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, and repeated that pattern, we would have comma, and the number would continue on if I wanted to make it larger. Okay, so that's important to note the commas because we are going to name this number or say the word form of this number. And those commas are important when we take this standard form of the number and bring it to word form. And so as you see these digits, I'm going to now refer to the text box below. So you'll notice that I've written 425 million, comma, 123,000, comma, 146. So you'll notice that I have a comma here, which is after the millions place value, just like up above. And then I have a comma here after the thousands place value, which is just like the comma here up above. So again, I took the 4 from the 100 millions, and then all I'm doing is I'm reading this and taking the words that I say. So 425 million, and I put the million before the comma. Then I go to the next section, 123,000, because that was the thousand section, and then 146. You should be familiar with this area and even up to the thousands because of our past work. So this gives you an idea of how you would take the standard form of a larger number and bring it to word form. We are going to practice taking larger numbers and moving them to word form or switching from word form to standard notation or standard form in the next couple of days. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to do this, but also gives you an example that you can reference when you need it. Thank you, boys and girls, for listening.